Hey, it's your girl Savvy Young coming back at you with another video. This time I'm going to be bleaching the end of my bundles for a little blonde flavor that I'm going to create for this wig, so stay tuned. First, you're going to start off with your mixing bowl, and you're also going to need your powdered lightener, and you're going to take it and put it in a bowl. I'm cutting mine open because mine is new. I'm going to use about 2 scoops. And then I'm going to take my cream developer and I'm going to mix it up until I get a paste-like consistency. Everything that I'm going to be using in this video is going to be in the description box below. Once it's at the consistency I need, I'm going to take my closure and I'm going to start bleaching my knots. So what you're going to do is take the bleach and you're going to put it on top of your closure lightly because you don't want it to seep through and bleach the hair as well. So I'm just taking it and dabbing it on there until I cover it fully. Now that that's done, I'm going to start off with my first bundle, which is going to be my 12-inch curly bundle. And I'm going to take the bleach and I'm just going to bleach the ends. Now I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. Now I'm just going through and putting the bleach on all the pieces that I miss. Now that I'm done, I'm just twisting up the ends and putting it off to the side and on to my second bundle. Now that I'm just about finished with my second bundle, I'm going to twist it up and put it off to the side like the first, and I'm going to start to work on my closure. Now that I'm done with my closure, I'm going to twist it up and sit it off to the side, and I'm going to fold the foil over and let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. The rinse out, I'll be using Cantu's clarifying shampoo and TRESemmé conditioner. Now I will start to rinse the bleach out. Now that I rinsed the bleach out, I'm going to wash the hair with Cantu's shampoo just to make sure that I have all of the bleach out. Now that the shampoo is completely rinsed out, I'm going to go on to the conditioner. When I'm done conditioning the hair, I'm going to put it off to the side and let all of them sit for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now that I let the conditioner sit, I'm going to continue into rinsing it out. Once I'm done rinsing out the conditioner, I'm going to take the bundles in the closure and let them air dry overnight. That wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next.